of riding a motorcycle. Parking's free. Alright, let's go. You fucking kidding me? Seriously? Are you serious? Scared the crap out of me, dude. I saw her wave. I saw her put her hand up, so you know what? I'll give her that. But still, when I pulled up beside her, she wouldn't look at me. It's like these people don't know how to look over beside them and apologize. Goodness, I like shoulder check that way, because oh my goodness, she probably would have pulled into me without even realizing it. You know what, after thinking about it though, and thinking how she couldn't have seen me, I was probably hitting the pillar that separates the windshield from the side door. I was probably right in front of there, and that's why she didn't see me. At the end of the day, she didn't hit me. I'm okay. She's okay. Everything's fine. Motorcyclists really have to be aware of their surroundings. If it wasn't for my shoulder check, I wouldn't have seen that. Anyways, guys, ride safe. Be alert out there. Be careful. Honestly, you never know what's going to happen. Thank God for helping me out right there. And see you guys in the next video. Peace.